This is a simple and delicious recipe called scallion-fried eggs, which can also be called scallion-scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 1 scallion, 5 eggs, a little garlic and ginger. First, cut the green onions into dice, and place them on a plate. Chop garlic and ginger and set aside in a bowl. Beat the eggs into a bowl, add a little salt and white vinegar, beat them evenly, and set aside. Put salt, chicken essence, sugar, pepper, a spoonful of broad bean paste, 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, a spoonful of dark soy sauce, in a bowl, then add starch and half a bowl of water and mix well to make the soy sauce. Okay, now that all the preparations are done, let's start cooking. Heat the pan and pour in cooking oil. After the oil temperature rises, pour in the prepared egg liquid. After the eggs are fried, set aside. Pour a little cooking oil into the pot, and then add the prepared garlic, ginger and green onion and stir fry. When the onion is soft, pour in the fried eggs and continue to stir fry. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Stir fry until the soup shrinks and then you can serve it.